Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Google AdSense account not active. This video will explain how you can reactivate a cancelled Google Ads account. Also, reactivating your Google Ads account is free and only takes a few steps. So, when you cancel your account, all your active ads stop showing. When you reactivate your account, any ads or campaigns that you left active will begin running again. Any ads or campaigns that you paused will not run until you re-enable them. So, if you deleted your Google account, before you can reactivate it, you must recover your Google account. But you should keep in mind that if your Google Ads account hasn't spent in more than 15 months, it will automatically be considered inactive and will be cancelled. Now, reactivating your account. Make sure you have the administrative access. If you don't, you won't be able to reactivate the account. Now that you're ready, follow these steps to reactivate your account. First, click on the tools icon in the upper right corner. Then, under setup, click preferences. Then, click the account status section to expand it. Then, click reactivate my account. Now, your account status will change to active and now you have successfully reactivated your Google Ads account. Now, some common reasons why this happens is because due to no earnings for a long time, AdSense not linked to a website, or account not verified. It could also be due to policy violations. So you'll have to just request the AdSense reactivation and you can also contact AdSense support if needed. So that is the simple way through which you can fix your Google AdSense account not active. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.